Just got your first paycheck? Looking to switch banks and avoid fees? Here's the information you need to ensure your bank isn't separating you from your money. Are you confused about checking accounts? You're not alone. Many people struggle to find the right one. In this video, we will simplify checking accounts and help you avoid unnecessary expenses. First, let's define what a checking account is. A checking account is a bank account for daily transactions. You can deposit money, write checks, and use debit cards. Checking accounts are essential for smoothly managing your finances. Now, let's start with beginner tips. When choosing a checking account, consider these three simple factors. 1. Fees. Look for accounts with no monthly fees. Some banks charge if your balance falls below a certain amount or you don't meet other requirements. You'll want to make sure you're asking how to waive those fees. For example, if you're a student, ask about student checking account options. If you're no longer a student, ask about minimum balance requirements or if direct depositing your paycheck will waive monthly fees. There's almost always a way to avoid fees if you ask. If the ways don't apply to your scenario, there's likely another bank that's a better fit. 2. Accessibility. Choose a bank with convenient branches and ATMs. You want to easily access your money. Check if they offer online and mobile banking too. Do you like to have help in person? If so, you may want to ensure your bank has brick-and-mortar locations near you. Are you more of a do-it-yourself person? An online bank could be a great fit. 3. Features. Consider what features you need. Do you want online bill pay? Writing checks? These can enhance your banking experience. Now that we covered the basics, let's move to intermediate level info. When looking for a checking account, compare different options. Some banks offer higher interest on checking accounts. This is rare, but can save you money over time. Also, look for accounts with rewards programs. They might offer cash back on purchases. If you meet certain balance requirements, some banks may offer you discounts on services or even provide some services completely free. Be sure you compare the freebies that matter to you when selecting your bank. Understand the bank's policies. If you drop below a certain balance even for a moment, will that trigger a fee or do they consider your average balance over a certain period? Some accounts have limits on transactions. In some cases, you may need to ensure you do a certain number of debit card transactions. In other scenarios, you may need to ensure you don't exceed a total transaction limit. Know which rules apply to you, stay within any limits, and ensure you avoid extra fees. Next, here's a quick example. Sarah needed an account for daily expenses. She found a bank with no fees and many ATMs. Sarah also chose an account that pays interest. She now earns money while using her checking account. Just like Sarah, you can find your ideal situation too. Next, let's talk advanced tips for choosing the best checking account. You'll want to consider your spending habits. If you travel often, look for accounts with fewer foreign transaction fees. Some accounts even offer travel rewards, saving you money on trips. You may want to see if your bank offers specific credit card accounts that will help you maximize rewards for travel expenses. If travel rewards aren't important to you, there's likely a card designed for a spender like you. Think about overdraft protection. Since most banks offer free savings accounts when you open a checking account, overdraft protection is often a good idea. You can link your checking and savings accounts, add overdraft protection, and then you have a service to help you avoid nasty fees. Be sure you ask about any related fees though, because some banks charge for this service. Remember, choosing the right bank and account setup will potentially save you money. As you receive your bank statements, be sure to review your account. If there are any errors, it's important you report them as soon as you're aware. If there are any charges that aren't yours, you may need to file a dispute to ensure your money is returned. Most banks have a specific number of days where you're allowed to report any errors or dispute any transactions. Please be sure you don't wait too long. As time passes, financial needs change. Be sure to review your scenario annually. If another account type is better for you, don't hesitate to switch your account or even switch banks. It's always a good idea to reassess as life changes occur. To summarize, when choosing a checking account, remember, ask about fees and the ways to avoid them. Compare accessibility, features, and freebies. Watch your spending habits. Look for options that fit your needs. With these tips, you're well on your way to finding the perfect checking account. Take control of your finances and start saving money. If you found this guide helpful, like this video and subscribe for more financial tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What features do you look for in a checking account? Let us know.